Good morning, children. Today we'll continue our chapter 12, Work We Do. Today we are going to see about household work. A small girl named Deepali does not go to school. Now let us read about her. Deepali is the eldest child in her family. She has one brother and two sisters. Her father sells vegetables. He is a vegetable seller. So he daily goes to market, that is called mandi. Mandi is a wholesale market where fruits and vegetables are sold. So he leaves for mandi early in the morning. Her mother washes utensils in some house. See, you can see this. Her mother washes utensils in some houses. So she also leaves for work every day in the morning. So Deepali cooks food for her brothers and sisters. Not only cooking, she also does cleaning and also washes the utensils. She is very fond of listening to the radio. So she always listens to songs while she works. After finishing the work at home, she goes to leave her brother with her father. Then she takes her younger sisters also, Suman and Sheila, to school. After Deepali helps her mother in her work, in the afternoon she brings her brother and sisters back home. In the evening she plays with other children in the neighborhood. Her mother comes back home late in the evening. After that she goes and helps her mother in cooking dinner for the family. Her father comes very late at night. At night Deepali loves to lie in bed and read her sister's school books because she has stopped up to class 3 because she has to take care of her small brother. So she discontinued her studies. She could not study anymore. She feels relaxed when she is reading the books. Now she is back to school and goes regularly. Now we know that what are the work does Deepali do in her own house. We can write it there. Yes, she cooks the food. Deepali cleans the house, washes utensils. After work, goes to leave her small brother to her father. Then she takes her younger sisters to school. Then in the evening, she brings back her brother and two sisters back to home. She also helps her mother to cook dinner. Okay, now, do you also do any household work, children? If yes, what? You can write your own answer. What are the household work you do at home? Okay. Now, apart, that is beside household work, do you do any other work at home? If yes, what? So, beside household work, I do not do any work at home. If you are not doing any work at home, you can write beside household work, I do not do any work at home. Now you can find from your grandparents what work they did when they were children. You can ask your grandfather or grandmother. You can write your own answer there. Here I have given, she used to help her mother in cooking, cleaning and washing. She used to make cow dung cakes. You can see in this picture cow dung cakes, right? She used to help her mother in roasting puffed rice on hot sand. This is a puffed rice, how they are roasting it on the hot sand. This is cow dung cakes and this is puffed rice. Next we are going to read about Sarama. Sarama asked her grandmother, that is Nani, and she replied when she was a child she used to collect firewood and make cow dung cakes. But now we have stove. Okay, now you can write what are the changes now we are facing. So we already have written about the work you do and the work done by your elders in the childhood. Is there a change? If there is any change, you can write here. Yes, there is a huge change. Children get more time to study and less work to do. Many women go to office to work and earn money. Life has become easier because of many electrical appliances and gadgets. Housemaids or helpers are there to help mothers in their household work. Here you can write any two name of the child and reason for not going to school. So I given two names and I also wrote the reason for not going to school. First is Chotu, father is not there, mother too is working at a construction site. So he is working to earn money. Name of the second child is Raghu and the reason for not going to school is many members in the family and he too needs to earn money to live. Now let's see what is work. Work is performing or carrying a task that requires some effort. Work is an activity that a person engages in regularly to earn money or to make one's livelihood. Why do we need to work? Why do we need to do work means the working, whether paid or unpaid, is good for our health and well-being. So we have to do some work. Playing, drawing, cleaning the houses, or the small works that you can do. You can help your parents at home. It contributes to our happiness. It is helpful in making our life more organized. It also builds up our confidence. Now let's see the different kinds of work people do at home. Yes, dusting. You can see the picture also here. Dusting, mopping, vacuuming, washing dishes, feeding pets, doing laundry, preparing meals and cleaning bathrooms. These are the different kinds of work people do at home. Now let's see what is occupation. Occupation is a person's regular work through which he or she earns money. The work a person does for a living is called his or occupation. These are the few examples of different occupation. Number 1, doctor. Doctor treats us when we are sick. Second one is teacher. What work they do? Yes, they teaches us in the school. Number 3 is farmer. What work they do? Yes, farmer grows different crops. Now let's see what is poverty. See, you can see the people living in the slum areas. They don't even have proper houses. They live in platforms. Right? See how very poor they are. Yes. Yeah, poverty means the people, those are very poor. That is, poverty is a state of not having enough money to meet basic needs. Children, do you know what are the basic needs? Yes, basic needs are food, clothing and shelter. It is not having sufficient material or income to meet a person's need. Now let's see what is child labor. Child labor is work for children that harms them or exploits them in some way. They are affected physically, mentally, or by blocking access to education. Because of child labor, they are forced to work. So they have mental stress, physically they have so much stress, and also they are not able to continue their education. They are forced to work and earn money is called child labor. A child who has been forced to work and earn money is called a child labor. Child labor has been banned in our country since 1986. Now the child labor has been banned. This is a picture of a child labor. They are forced to work because of their family situation. They right to education. The law of our country says that every child has the right to get education in school. So our government of our country provides free and compulsory education from the age of 6 to 14 years. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.